Hi, Inner Vitality family, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever woken up in the morning and felt that familiar, dull ache in your lower back? Or maybe it's a sharp, sudden pain that stops you in your tracks. If you have, you're not alone. Lower back pain is one of the most common health issues in the world, and it can feel like it's taking over your life. It affects everything from how you move to your mood and even your most intimate moments. But what if I told you that relief is not only possible, but within your reach? In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the real causes of lower back pain, and I'm going to share a powerful 7-day plan with natural home remedies designed for instant relief. And stick around, because we'll also talk about how this pain affects your mental and sexual health, and what you can do about it. Let's get started. So first things first, let's understand why this pain happens. Our lower back is a complex network of bones, muscles, and nerves. When one part is out of balance, the whole system can suffer. The most common causes are often things we do every single day. Think about it. Are you sitting at a desk all day with bad posture? Is your mattress too old and not giving you the support you need? Are you lifting heavy things the wrong way? These everyday habits create strain on our spine and muscles, leading to that persistent pain. But it's not just physical. Stress and anxiety can also cause muscles to tense up, making back pain even worse. This is a crucial connection that many people miss. Your mental state directly impacts your physical well-being. The good news is you can start feeling better today. Here is our 7-day natural home remedy plan. On day 1, we start with a simple yet powerful technique, hot and cold therapy. Apply a cold pack for 15 to 20 minutes to the painful area to reduce inflammation, then switch to a warm compress or a heating pad to relax your muscles. Do this a few times throughout the day. Day 2 is all about gentle stretching. Simple stretches like the cat-cow pose and a gentle knee to chest stretch can work wonders. These movements improve flexibility and blood flow, which is essential for healing. Just remember to listen to your body and never push into a painful range of motion. For day 3, we focus on a core strengthening exercise. A strong core supports your spine. Try a plank for as long as you can, or the bird dog exercise to stabilize your lower back. You can find simple tutorials for both of these online. As we move into day 4, let's address the mental and emotional side of this. Practice 15 minutes of mindfulness or deep breathing exercises. When you're in pain, your brain can amplify those signals. By calming your mind, you can actually reduce your perception of pain. On day 5, we look at your diet. Certain foods can increase inflammation in your body. Focus on eating anti-inflammatory foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, and fatty fish. Hydration is also key. Water helps keep your spinal discs healthy. Day 6 is for a relaxing Epsom salt bath. Epsom salts contain magnesium, which is a natural muscle relaxant. Soaking in a warm bath for 20 minutes will help ease tension and soreness. And on day 7, let's talk about a topic that is often overlooked: sexual health. Back pain can severely impact intimacy, but did you know that gentle, loving touch and certain positions can actually help? Communication with your partner is vital, and finding positions that don't strain your back can not only improve your physical comfort, but also strengthen your emotional bond. This is about nurturing your whole self, not just fixing a physical problem. After this 7-day plan, you should feel a noticeable difference. But the journey to a pain-free life doesn't stop here. This is a lifestyle change. Consistency is what brings lasting results. If you found these tips helpful and you're ready to take charge of your health, this is the perfect time to join our Inner Vitality community. We're on a mission to empower you with simple, natural solutions for a better life. So please, if you haven't already, take a moment to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our future videos on how to live your healthiest, happiest life. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.